My name is John, founder of DetailnPlasti. Premature surface protection failures can usually be attributed to insufficient preparation of the paint prior to surface protection install. In this video, we perform a strip wash, which involves a multi-step process to effectively and efficiently remove all the contamination that accumulated on the vehicle, a 2016 Honda Pilot. All maintenance chemicals used during this video are all from the new DetailnPlasti line, coming soon. The goal of this process is to remove any oil, wax, sealant, and any contamination that may have adhered to the clear coat.